Hi guys, how can you create a flared skirt effect in Photoshop? First, select the quick selection tool and make a selection around the skirt area. Once the selection is complete, press Ctrl plus J to copy it onto a new layer. Now press Ctrl plus T to open Free Transform.
Right-click, open the setting and select Warp. From the Warp options, choose a preset like Shell Lower. Now adjust the shape to give it a flared skirt effect. When you're satisfied, press OK. This is the before and this is the after.
And that's how you can create a flared skirt effect in Photoshop.